Hey everyone, welcome to the debut of my first ever YouTube video. So today I have with me my track bike, my Kawasaki ZX6R 2009, and what I'm going to do today is remove the front and rear tires, and I'm going to remove them in my parking lot at home. And then I am going to take the tires with me, bring it to a friend's workshop so that I can borrow his tire machine, and then I'm gonna bring those tires home and put those tires back on. So I'm really nervous, as you can tell, but it's okay. I guess this is my first try. I hope you can bear with me. It's not a tutorial. I just want to show you guys how I do it and just kind of walk you through it. I just want to let you guys know as well, I won't be speaking for a whole 12 to 20 minutes because I'm too nervous to do that, and I don't normally talk during work. But yeah, I will just show you guys how I normally do it. So I'm done with the tire removal front and rear, and what I'm gonna do right now is get those tires into my car, head to my friend's workshop so that I can borrow his tire machine to get the tires changed, do some balancing, and I will probably put all of that into the next episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys have any questions, you guys can leave a comment down below, and I really hope you guys have a nice day.